Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a hobby box of 2021 Topps Archives. You actually get 2 on-card autographs per box. And this box was actually very reasonably priced. Got it online from Cards Infinity. They had some in stock for a long time, and I have never opened a hobby box of this, so I went and bought it to celebrate me getting my taxes done, like a reward. It was a lot of work, but I did get it done, and wanted to open some baseball cards since it's baseball season. Alright. Ooh, we got a big red machine thing in here. A poster. Cool. That's pretty sweet. Ken Griffey Sr., David Concepcion, Tony Perez, George Foster, Joe Morgan, and Johnny Bench. Big red machine. No Pete Rose on there. I think he was a part of the big red machine. Alright, there's a pack. Hopefully we'll get a nice auto. Little pack odds. Get some nice rookies, hopefully. I've opened blaster boxes of this, but not hobby box. Got Nico Horner. Oh, that's cool looking Ronald Acuna. So I'm going to sleeve that one. Might be a little printing defect on it, but there it is. Clark Schmidt, Steven Strasburg, Christian Pache rookie, David Fletcher, William Contreras rookie, and Jim Palmer. Got Bob Gibson, Corey Seager, Texas Rangers, Byron Buxton, Yeimer Candelario, Jared Kelenic. Oh, it's a rookie too. The big head card there. Jesus Luzardo, Jose Barrero rookie, and Luis Garcia rookie. So getting a lot of rookies here. I forgot about Jared Kelenic having rookies in 2021 stuff. Marcus Stroman, Starling Marte, Trevor Story, Trent Grisham, Sam Huff rookie, Ryan Mountcastle rookie, Shining Star, Dylan Carlson rookie, a little bit off center though, Carlos Delgado, got it. Eddie Rosario, Kyle Seager, Matt Olson, Brandon Lowe, Acuna, one of those big head cards, Eddie Murray, Logan Gilbert rookie, and Christian Pache rookie. Liam Hendricks, Mike Piazza, Mariano Rivera, Ozzie Smith, Lorenzo Cain. Oh, there's our first auto, John Flaherty of the Yankees. Nice looking card. Looks good with that blue ink there. Ted Williams and George Springer. This is like the 1975 style card. John Flaherty of the Yankees. Retired after 2005. Bryce Harper, Justin Turner, Max Scherzer, Jose Ramirez, Jared Walsh, Michael Brantley, Derek Jeter, Barry Larkin. Brooks Robinson, Ahmed Rosario. Oh, there's a nice rookie, Jonathan India. Tristan McKenzie rookie, Yermin Mercedes rookie, the Swingin' A's, Carl Yastrzemski, and Bob Feller. Tatis on the back. Cal Ripken Jr. Nick Castellanos. I may never put these headsets on again. Jack Flaherty, Aaron Nola, Mike Trout, the Boys of Summer insert, Evan White rookie, way off center, and a Tatis flipping the bat. That Trout is nicely centered though. Geraldo Perdomo rookie, Ryan Mountcastle rookie. That's actually a pretty decent rookie card. I might sleeve that one. Max Kepler, Joe Adell rookie, Alex Kirilloff rookie. Oh man, so many rookies. Alec Bohm rookie, Dalton Varsho rookie, and Wilson Contreras. Love the 83 top style on these. And that centering looks good on that card. And this centering looks good. So, some nice rookies in this box. Rugi. He had to shave when he went to the Yankees. Nomar Garciaparra. Victor Robles. Xander. Eloy, my oh my, the 1995 Seattle Mariners. Ryan Jeffers, rookie, and Mike Moustakas. Calvin Biggio, Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt, Paul Molitor, Willie Up and Adams, the family, the Pirates. There, Trey Mancini, Kyle Schwab, Dave Winfield. Schwarber's turned into a home run blaster, man. Okay, Mark McGwire, Chris Bryant. Just so weird seeing him at the Giants uniform. Cy Young, Hai-Sung Kim, rookie. Ichiro. Davey Garcia, rookie. Nice. On-card auto. Dale Murphy. Luis Castillo. I don't think I have a Davey Garcia auto, so that's definitely a keeper. So there's our autos. Brent Rooker, rookie. Estevan Florial, rookie. Ernie Banks. Will Smith. Sometimes you just gotta slap somebody. Jose Altuve. Salvador Perez. Charlie Blackmon, and Edward Olivares, rookie. John Schmaltz, Trevor Larnach, rookie. Man, so many rookies in this box. Tony Gwynn, the Beebs, Joe Mauer, Tom Glavine, Glaber, and Braylon Marquez, rookie. And it seems like all the, whatever year this was of Topps style, they're all off-cut. But a lot of the other ones are nicely centered. Well, this pack is very difficult to open, so there has to be a huge hit in here. Jackie Robinson, see? Tyler Glasnow, Big Poppy, Garrett Cole, Aaron Judge, Ricky Henderson, William McCovey, and Brandon Woodruff. Christian Walker, Anthony Rizzo, Carlos Correa, Nolan Ryan, JT Brubaker, rookie. Zach Greinke, Luis Robert, Nolan Arenado, Mr. Roboto. Willie Mays, Arahara, rookie. Luis Campusano, rookie. Mookie Betts, Adam Frazier, and Eddie Murray. That might be numbered. Oh, got a 75. Dick Allen and Josh Donaldson. So we got a numbered out of 75 Eddie Murray card, red. Oh, knocking stuff over here. All right, Alex Kirilloff rookie, Ron Santo, Rogers Hornsby, Sixto rookie, Brian Hayes rookie, Mickey Money rookie, Ryan Weathers rookie, Cody Bellinger. People weren't super hyped about 2021 rookies, but there could be some really good ones in there, I think. Just give them a couple years. Someone's going to emerge out of that group for sure. Pujols, Jorge Soler, Reggie Jackson, Daz Cameron, rookie, Kyle Isbell, that was a rookie, and Jake Cronenworth, another good rookie, Roberto Clemente, Harmon Killebrew. Joe Carter, George Brett, that was my favorite player growing up as a kid. Mike Schmidt, Jeff Bagwell, Lourdes Gurriel with the interesting haircut. Tatis, Big Head, Zach Gallen, Colton Wong. Tatis, so good, yet so fragile. It's a little bit frustrating, that guy. Javier Baez, there's a Jared Kelenic rookie. Brady Singer rookie. Ken Griffey Jr., Tim Anderson, Kirilloff rookie, Big Head, Ryu Hyunjin, and Bobby Dalbec rookie. Again, off cut, dang it. Kelenic's a little bit off center. Maeda, Nelly Cruz, Nate Pearson rookie, Edgar Martinez, Will Craig rookie. There's a draft pick Jonathan India card. Juan Soto, off cut, Alan Trammell. I don't know how rare those inserts are, so let's leave it. Bregman, Andre Dawson, Greg Maddux, Gehrig, Roger Clemens silver card. That one's out of 99. Kyle Hendricks, Hoskins, and Pee Wee. Oh, that looks good with the silver border. And last pack. Boy, some of these packs are giving me troubles here. Got a Hall of Famer on the back. Andrew McCutchen. Jim Thome. Mitch Haniger. Tarek Skubal rookie. Jesus Sanchez chrome rookie. That's out of 150. Trish Speaker and Hall of Famer Rod Carew. Alright. That's a cool little hit there. Alright. I like Jesus Sanchez. I don't know if he's ever done anything, but I do like him as a player. Alright, so a rookie Jesus Sanchez out of 150. Roger Clemens out of 99. A draft pick insert Jonathan India. Jared Kelenic rookie. Eddie Murray out of 75 red. Davey Garcia auto. Ryan Mountcastle rookie. Joe Adell. A Mike Trout, just base card. Jonathan India rookie. John Flaherty on card auto. Jared Kelenic rookie. Big head card. And an Acuna. Alright, those were my favorite cards anyway. All right, stay tuned for more videos later.